Hello, Ainol Novo 7 Aurora 2 fans. This is an unboxing of the latest Novo 7 Aurora 2 tablet PC. So the Aurora 2 is different than the Aurora 1 because it has a dual-core CPU, Cortex A9 1.5 GHz, and it has an IPS screen. And IPS screens, it basically has a wider viewing angle. The iPad 2 has IPS screen. The Aurora 1 had a Hitachi IPS screen, which did have some pixelation issues, but this has been fixed with this LG IPS screen. Okay, and it has 1 GB RAM, 1 GB ROM, and 1080p streaming and Wi-Fi. Supports Flash 1080p. So you can get this unit at dealsprime.com. That's dealsprime.com. Okay, so the back it says Aurora 2 on it. And so we'll check out the menu. Okay, we can look at the settings. So this screen seems more responsive than the Aurora 1, which is good. Okay, so it has Flash 1080p, Angry Birds, browser, camera, which I believe is 2 megapixels. Earth. Google Play Store, which is like the new Android market. HDMI switch. Market updater, music and movie player. So let's see if there's any movies pre-installed on this. So the speaker's pretty loud. Speakers here. It has a headphone jack, micro SD slot, supports up to 30 gigabytes, micro HDMI port, mini USB, and a power plug. Support for this unit can be found at apad.tv. And again, you can buy this at dealsprime.com. This is a pre-order item. And supply is very limited. If you know about the Aurora 1, there was a 2-month waiting list. So if you really want this tablet, it's important that you order sooner than later. Okay, so that's all for right now. Actually we have an Aurora 2 here as well. So you can see the box is higher. It's not cardboard. It's just a thin paper. And again, it has an IPS screen here, but it's only a single core A10, and we've lowered the price on this unit. So go to dealsprime.com and you can search for Aurora and it will come up. So stay tuned. I'll do like a side-by-side comparison review.
Yeah.
So stay tuned. Thanks. Bye.